Vance is here to do my facial, so I made us smoothies like I usually do in the morning.
It's really delicious.
I put peanut butter, almond milk, chia seeds, spinach, blueberries, a banana. I put some protein powder in mine because beans or whatever. And it's a good way to get your vegetables without having to actually eat them.
So like, how's your morning routine usually?
I don't really have one.
You don't really have one? Are you trying to get one?
I'm trying to, but usually in the morning I'll go, if I wake up early enough, I'll go for a run. Or I'll like lay in my bed for an hour. Or as long as I need. And then I go for a run. And then I will come back home, make a smoothie. It depends on if I have work or class that day though. So it changes. But usually I go for a run.
So what do you go to school for?
Right now I'm pre-med, so I'm taking the prereqs I need to go to med school. So like this semester I'm doing like organic chemistry. It's okay. I guess once I get more into the classes or whatever, my morning might consist of like going over flashcards. Because that seemed to really help me last semester. Like Fanta, I also blog sometimes. I have like a health blog. It's not really anything like profound, but usually it's like my most recent blog post is about things that are bad for your vagina. So check it out.
Okay, let me get my smoothie.
I'm trying to help y'all.
My smoothie is really good.
It looks gross. Smoothies always look gross, but this one looks gross because the blueberries have it looking like a gross color.
It's exfoliating.
It smells good.
It's baobab and banana.
It smells really good.
Yeah. It's gonna help remove the dead skin cells, as well as it will result to brightening the skin. Because baobab, it has way more vitamin C than an orange.
So I guess I do exfoliate, but when I was using like the glycolic acid thing, it kind of burns. So I kind of stopped using it.
Okay, so I would tell you to switch to another acid if you want to stick in the acid like family. I would tell you to try lactic acid, which derives from sour milk. It's more gentle because it has larger molecules. If lactic acid doesn't work for you, I would tell you to try mandelic acid, which derives from almond. If that is too like strong for you, I would tell you to go over to enzymes. So like pineapple, papaya, pumpkin enzymes. So it only works with the surface of the skin. It doesn't go like deep in your skin since you're a little sensitive.
Gotcha.
This sunscreen is a must-have. Black girl sunscreen. It's amazing. It leaves your skin glowing and you will not have a white cast. No white residue, I repeat. You can get it at Target. Also on Black and Green website or the Black Girl Sunscreen website. Support. I just had to say that because I really love her sunscreen. Sensual on your neck.